A Beginner's Guide to Android App Development. Description: learn the basics of developing an app in Android and build your very own Bluetooth chat application from scratch. Requirements: good understanding of Java, particularly OOPs and threads. HTML5, CSS3 and Bootstrap 4 build 2 websites in Hindi, Urdu. Description: HTML5, CSS3 and Bootstrap 4 and SEO build websites and publish websites to internet and earn money making website. Requirements: a PC or laptop. Nothing more required. Decision trees, random forests, AdaBoost and XGBoost in Python. Description: decision trees and ensembling techniques in Python. How to run bagging, random forest, GBM, AdaBoost and XGBoost in Python. Requirements: students will need to install Python and Anaconda software, but we have a separate lecture to help you install the same. Marketing analytics, pricing strategies and price analytics. Description: boost profit by learning diff pricing strategies and advanced pricing models in Excel. Complete pricing analytics in Excel. Requirements: you will need a PC with any version of Excel installed in it. Basic understanding of Excel operations like opening, closing and saving a file. English speaking upgrade. Speak English now for beginners. Description: learn English for beginners, English speaking, English grammar, English pronunciation, English listening. Requirements: basic reading skills. Python for beginners, basics to advance. Description: go from Python 3 basics like data types to advanced concepts like scraping data from web. Requirements: basic problem solving skills. Knowledge of any programming language will be an add-on. AWS Services for Solutions Architect Associates. Description: the best guide for various AWS certifications such as AWS Solutions Architect, AWS SysOps and AWS Developer Associates. Requirements: basic knowledge of Linux commands. Common IT knowledge. Marketing analytics. Forecasting models with Excel. Description: master marketing analytics. Forecasting and time series analysis. Sales forecasting. Build forecasting models in Excel. Requirements: you will need a PC with any version of Excel installed in it. Step-by-step guide to machine learning. Description: a beginner's guide to learn machine learning including hands-on from scratch. Requirements: basic knowledge of scripting and programming. Basic knowledge of Python programming. Complete linear regression analysis in Python. Description: linear regression in Python, simple regression, multiple regression, ridge regression, lasso and subset selection also. Microsoft Excel Masterclass for Business Managers. Description: Microsoft Excel for Business, Excel formulas and functions, Excel charts, Excel analytics, shortcuts and Excel macros. Requirements: you will need a PC with any version of Excel installed in it. Publish simple videos for a living. Skillshare earnings. Description: watch me as I make simple video content and upload it to Skillshare, and how anyone can do this regardless of skills. Requirements: you will need basic internet skills and the ability to follow simple instructions. No monetary investment is required, $0. Marketing articles for entrepreneurs. Drive sales and traffic. Description: a complete guide that will teach you clever techniques to write and sell articles as a freelance writer or website owner. Requirements: a text editing software, Word, OpenOffice, etc. A working internet connection.